hello, namaste. How are you, my dear kids? How are you all happy? Have you had your breakfast? Have you had your lunch? Okay, what you had in lunch today? Or what you are going to eat in the lunch? Huh? Any special today? Okay, you send it to me. Okay, what special is there in your home today? Okay, you write and type and write to me. Okay, what special is today in your lunch? Okay, if special is there in breakfast also you can write. Okay, today we are going to continue the lesson, right? Seventh lesson we started last class. So today I have to continue that lesson. I'll take your textbook. Page number 43. Yesterday, that last year class continuation, only 7 lines I have taken, I think 8 lines, yeah. After that, what happened? We were studying about if we are doing together, if any work we are doing together, we can finish it very successfully, right? If any impossible matter is even, if we are doing together, it will be really successful. So we should do everything together, right? So we will continue the lesson. Take page number 43. Write today's date on the up of it, my dear kids. Today's date what? 25/11/2020 Budhavar, right? Write on the up of it. Okay, very good. Keep one pencil with you. Whatever meanings I am telling here, please write it and note it down in your textbook. Okay, if you want any extra meanings also, you can write on that. Okay, listen carefully and read with me. मेहनत अपने लेख की रेखा, मेहनत से क्या डरना, कल गौरव की खातिर की, आज अपनी खातिर करना, अपना दुख भी एक है साथी, अपना सुख भी एक, अपनी मंजिल सच की मंजिल, अपना रास्ता नेक, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना. My dear friend, you come together and do fold my hands, we will together, we will do the work and all. If you are hard working together, we will get the input output very successfully, right? So here what we are telling that mehnat apni lekhi rekha. Lekhi rekha means what it is written in our future. The God has written already something for us, right? So what it is written in our hand, that line and all there, na, we can see in our hand so many lines are there, isn't it, in our hand? So that lines, somebody will tell that, somebody have that believe that is our future. It's something, see, this line belongs to this one, this line belongs to this one, like that and also, I don't know. So that they will tell us, this one will take to you like good future or bad future, like that and all they will tell. Okay, so mehnat apne lekh ki rekha, it is written in our hand that we have to work hard. मेहनत से क्या डरना, why we are afraid, why we are fearing to do hard work, why we are, डरना means hard work, no, डरना means fear, मेहनत means hard work. Okay, मेहनत means hard work. So why we are afraid, why we are fear of this hard work. कल गौरव की खातिर की, गौरव means others. Okay, others. कल गौरव की खातिर की, for others only, still you were working, from till yesterday you were working, kal till yesterday you were working for others. आज अपनी खातिर करना, today you work for yourself. Why every time you are working for others only, you together today you work for yourself. अपना दुख भी एक है साथी, अपना सुख भी एक. Our friends sukh, we have, we only that happiness is ours, we have it in the if our friend is in a bad situation also, we have to go with them. If they are in the happy situation also, we have to, only in the happy situation should not go. So all, see, if your happiness, if my friend is happiness is only if my friend is happy, I am also happy. If my friend is sad, I am also. So everything is similar only. Everything is equal. If it is happy or sad, एक अपना दुख भी एक है, साथी अपना सुख भी एक. Our happiness and sad is only one only. One for me, for me one, for you another one. That not like that. Everyone, we have to share it together. Like happiness and sadness together, we have to share it. So if we are, you think, my dear kids, if we are sad sometimes, isn't it? And we are sitting alone, can our sadness will go? No. If any friend is coming near to us and they are telling something for our peaceful mind, then it will be like we will get something. Really, we will get something, right? So like that only. So we have to share everything only, not only happiness, sadness also. The friend's happiness and sad is online. साथी अपना मंजिल, अपनी मंजिल सच की मंजिल. What is our aim? Our aim is truth only. We are not doing any fault and all. Only truth we are doing. Apna rasta नेक, it is straight only. Our way is straight way. Our way is truthful way. So why we are afraid of this doing hard work and all? Why we are afraid to do everything together? Why we are doing like this? Why we are afraid of others to do together? We have to do together because our manzil, our aim is सच की मंजिल. सच means truth. Our aim is truth. So we should not afraid of anything. अपना रास्ता नेक. Our way also straight only. So we should not afraid of anything and we should hard work together. साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना. We have to work. We have to do together everything, right? Then next page, right, my dear kids. एक से एक मिले तो कतरा बन जाता है दरिया. एक से एक मिले तो ज़र्रा बन जाता है सेहरा. एक से एक मिले तो राई बन सकती है पर्वत. एक से एक मिले तो इंसान बस में कर ले किस्मत. साथी हाथ बढ़ाना. See, if you try this one, okay? When you keep one. Keep the pipe when we are going for washing or something, sometimes we will forget to off the pipe very tightly, right? So one drop will come from there after that, right? If you are not closing it properly, drop will come. So you try it today. One drop like that, you close the pipe and keep one bucket near to that, okay? Keep one bucket down of that, and let's see after some times we can see that more water will be there in the bucket, right? If one drop, even if it is coming together, it will become a very big more water, right? So like that only, only one drop, if it is coming to see, only if one drop is joining with another drop, then that together it will come little more. Like that, these two drops will come to join with the another one drop. So like that, more drops will, so they are coming together and doing. So even the drops, if it is working together, it will become a what? We will get more water, right? So एक से एक मिले तो कतरा means drops. So one drop is joining with another drop. बन जाता है दरिया means nadi, river. So if one drop is joining with the other, like that, more drops are coming and joining together, means what will happen? It will become a river, right? One drop can make one river. So one drop is joining with another and it will come like a river. Then एक से एक मिले तो ज़र्रा बन जाता है सेहरा. Means सेहरा means forest. So one and one, like so many sticks or something, so many things, if it is coming, so many particles of zarra means particles, so many particles of some things like sticks or some stones, everything coming together, it will become a forest, right? So many sticks, if it is coming, like they are telling like that, so many trees we can see so many trees if it is coming together, everything, so many things we are seeing in the forest, right? So all the things, only one is there means, if is it a forest? No. So one is joining with the other and it can become a forest. सेहरा मीन्स फॉरेस्ट. एक से एक मिले तो राई बन सकती है पर्वत. You can see that if one soil is joining with another soil, it will become a big soil, right? Like that, if more soils are joining and it will become a parbat. Parbat means mountain. We can become a mountain. Can make a mountain. So more soils if it is joining. So everything. So if we are joining and working together, we can make a big thing like that. एक से एक मिले तो इंसान. इंसान मीन्स मनुष्य, ह्यूमन बीइंग, वी. व्हाट इफ वी आर joining together, एक से एक मिले तो इंसान. if we human beings are joining together, बस में कर ले किस्मत. lucky one. किस्मत means luck. बस means ourself, in our custody. Okay, बस में कर ले किस्मत. We can make the luck in our custody. If we are joining together and working together, the luck even will come to us, isn't it? So साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना. So we have to work together. We have to, unity is strength, right? We have to, whatever we are doing. See, British people and all was before the time and all, before our grandpa's time and all, here it was ruled by British people, right? That time Indian people worked together and we got what? Independence, right? If only one Indian is working and only one Gandhiji only is working, means can we get the independence? No. So Gandhiji having more friends and they all worked together. Because of that only we got independence, right? Like that only, if we are working together, we will get really successful. Okay. So hereafter you have to do everything together. Okay. Okay, my dear kids. Who has written this lesson? This poem has written by Sahir Ludhianvi. Okay. Okay, we will go to the notes. Okay, I have taken only little questions. Okay, because yesterday also I gave notes for that 6th lesson. So don't feel that ma'am is giving, because we want to finish something. We have more lessons, right? Please, my dear kids, write 5 times and learn the notes and do home test of yourself. Okay, write the questions in a book or rough note and learn after you write all the questions in a book or paper. No need, because it will draw somewhere. So you write in a book all the questions and close the notes and write without seeing, try to write, and after that you correct yourself and get sign from your parents and send snapshot for me. Okay, my dear kids, you will do that, I believe you. Okay. साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना. First Roman letter artha. 1. Rasta means way. Rasta, way. Parbat, mountain. Sine, chest. Katara, drop. Darya, river. Rasta, way. Parbat, mountain. Sine, chest. Katara, drop. Darya, river. More meanings are there, but last lesson more meanings are there, isn't it? So it feels difficult for you, so I gave only these 5 meanings. Okay, once more. Rasta, way. Learn now itself. Parbat, mountain. Sine, chest. Katara, drop. Darya, river. Okay, then second Roman letter, Hindi artha. First one, Katara, boond. Darya, nadi. Rah, rasta. Okay, once more. Katara, boond. Darya, nadi. Rah, rasta. Then प्रश्न और उत्तर. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, किसके सहारे इंसान अपना भाग्य बना सकता है. With whom's help we can make our luck. We can make our luck. How can we make? Using hard work, right? मेहनत के सहारे इंसान अपना भाग्य बना सकता है. किसके सहारे इंसान अपना भाग्य बना सकते हैं? मेहनत के सहारे इंसान अपना भाग्य बना सकता है. किसके सहारे इंसान अपना भाग्य बना सकता है? मेहनत के सहारे इंसान अपना भाग्य बना सकता है. Learn now itself, my dear kids. Then हमारी मंजिल क्या है? What is our aim? या हमारी मंजिल सत्य है, ट्रूथ. हमारी मंजिल क्या है? हमारी मंजिल सत्य है. हमारी मंजिल सत्य है. देन लास्ट वन, पानी की एक एक बूंद मिलकर क्या बन जाता है? 1 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर विल बिकम व्हाट? पानी की एक एक बूंद मिलकर नदी बन जाती है, राइट? पानी की एक एक बूंद मिलकर नदी बन जाती है. Easy only ना, only one word for all the questions. Okay, so learn this one. पानी की एक एक बूंद मिलकर क्या बन जाता है? पानी की एक एक बूंद मिलकर नदी बन जाती है. Okay, that's all for today. You learn the notes, all the notes one by one lesson. You learn and write home test. We finished for 2 lessons. One lesson home test we finished, 2 lesson that monthly assessment we finished, right? So after this 4th lesson, 6th lesson, 7th lesson, these 3 lessons, try to write the home test one by one and correct yourself with pencil. Then get sign from your parents and send it to me. Okay, if any mistake coming means write 5 times and learn. Okay my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. Don't forget to write the dish, what's special in your home. Okay, I'm waiting for that.